Good morning, students. What are the different things you do when you wake up in the morning? Yes, as soon as you wake up, you wash your face, brush your teeth, take bath, take breakfast, drink water, etc. So we can see that for doing most of the activities in day-to-day life, we need what? We need water. This is the mind map of many uses of clean water. We can see here that clean water is used for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning, etc. You can also add many more uses of water. Look at this picture. Can you use this water to wash your face and do all the above activities? Of course not, because this water is looking dirty. The water which gets contaminated after various works like bathing, washing, mopping, etc. is called wastewater, and it's not fit for use anymore. Have you ever seen places like this? Whenever we pass by such places in our locality or roadside, we are repelled by offensive smell. This smell is due to the wastewater released by homes, industries, hospitals, offices and other uses, and this is called sewage. So sewage is a liquid waste which contains water along with dissolved and suspended impurities called contaminants. These contaminants are of different types. The first type is organic impurities. For example, human feces, animal waste, oil, urea, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable wastes, etc. The second type is inorganic impurities. For example, nitrates, phosphates, metals, etc. The third type of impurities are nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen. The fourth type of impurities are bacteria such as which cause cholera. The fifth type of impurities are various microbes which cause dysentery. Look at this picture. You might have seen such pipes in your locality. These pipes carry wastewater from the point of production and are called sewers. A network of sewers is called sewerage as shown in the figure. Have you ever wondered what are these things on roads? These things are called manholes. These are the holes made in sewers at frequent intervals, 50 meter to 60 meter, so that timely inspections and cleaning of sewers can be done through them. The manhole is covered with a hard lid so that people and traffic can easily move over it. All these things, that is sewers, sewerage, manhole, they are like a transport system that carries sewage from the point of production to the point of disposal for treatment so that the water can be made reusable. The process of removing contaminants from wastewater, primarily from household sewage, before it enters a water body or is reused is called sewage treatment. Let us try to understand this process by an activity. Record your observations at each stage. Let's start with stage 1. Fill a large glass of 3/4 full of water. Add some dirty matter such as grass pieces, orange peels, a small amount of detergent and a few drops of ink. Cap the jar, shake it well and let the mixture stand in the sun for 2 days. After 2 days, shake the mixture and pour a small sample into test tube. Label this test tube as before treatment, sample 1. How does it smell? Use an aerator from an aquarium to bubble air through the sample in the glass jar. Allow several hours for aeration. Leave the aerator attached overnight. If you do not have an aerator, use a mechanical stirrer or a mixture. You may have to stir it several times. The next day, when aeration is complete, pour another sample into a second test tube. Label it as after aeration, sample 2. Now let us go to stage 3. Fold a piece of filter paper to form a cone. Wet the paper with tap water and then insert the cone in a funnel. Mount the funnel on a support. Place layers of sand, fine gravel and finally medium gravel in the funnel. An actual filtration plant does not use filter paper, but the sand filter is several meters deep. Pour the remaining aerated liquid through the filter into the beakers. Do not allow the liquid to spill over the filter. If the filtered liquid is not clear, filter it a few times till you get clear water. Pour a sample of the filtered water into a test tube labeled as filtered sample 3. Now stage 4. Pour another sample of the filtered water into a 4th test tube. Add a small piece of a chlorine tablet. Mix well until the water is clear. Label the test tube as chlorinated sample 4. Now we come to stage 5. Observe carefully the samples in all the test tubes. Do not taste, just smell them. So, what did we learn today? We learned that used water is wastewater. We cannot use wastewater. Wastewater is generated in homes, industries, agricultural fields and in other human activities. This is called sewage. Sewage is a liquid waste which contains water along with dissolved and suspended impurities called contaminants. Contaminants can be organic impurities, inorganic impurities, nutrients, bacteria, various microbes, etc. The contaminants can be removed and the wastewater can be made reusable. So students, that's all for today. Next class, we'll be learning about wastewater treatment plants. Thank you.